हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल कॉमर्स नॉलेज। आज की वीडियो का टॉपिक है मार्जिनल कॉस्टिंग। इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे मीनिंग ऑफ मार्जिनल कॉस्टिंग, वेरियस फार्मूलाज एंड प्रैक्टिकल सम। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं मीनिंग से। फर्स्ट है मार्जिनल कॉस्ट। सो व्हाट इज़ अ मार्जिनल कॉस्ट? इट refers to increase or decrease in total cost due to small change in output. It means due to the any change in output there is increase or decrease in total cost. It means it is a marginal cost. Second one, marginal costing. So what is a marginal costing? It is the system where products or services and inventories are valued at variable cost only. So what is a marginal costing? It is a system where products and inventories are valued at variable cost only. Now see the important points regarding the marginal costing. First one, only variable cost is taken into consideration. And second one, costs are classified according to their behavior. It means costs are classified as variable cost and fixed cost rather than function as applied in absorption costing system. So what are these two important points? One is only variable cost is taken into account, means के fixed cost is ignored here. And second one is costs are classified according to their behavior, variable cost and fixed cost rather than functions as applied in absorption costing system. In marginal costing systems, costs are divided into two categories. First variable cost and second one is fixed cost. And in absorption costing, costs are divided according to their functions. Okay, now we see the various formulas. Before see the formula, we see the marginal costing statement. So let's see. Particulars in rupees. Okay, first we write here sales less variable cost sales minus variable cost, we get contribution less fixed cost after deducting fixed cost from the contribution we get profit or loss. Okay, this is a statement of the marginal costing. Okay, now we go for the formulas. first formula for the PV ratio. So what is a PV ratio? It is a contribution divided by cells into 100. Okay. Another formula of PV ratio, when 2 years data are given, when 2 years data are given, then PV ratio is equal to change in contribution, or we can say that profit divided by change in sales. Okay, so this is the formula of the PV ratio. Now we see the what is the meaning of the PV ratio. Okay, so what is PV ratio? It refers to proportion of cells required to cover fixed cost and profit. Okay, so this is the meaning of the PV ratio. Now we go for the another formula, that is break even sales. In short we can say that BES. So what is a break even sales? It is fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. This formula is used when we want break even sales in units, and when we want break even sales in rupees, then we use this formula, fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Okay, now we go for the another formula, that is margin of safety. So what is the margin of safety? Margin of safety have two formula. First one, total sales minus break even sales, or another formula is there, margin of safety is equal to profit divided by PV ratio. Okay, we see the two formulas of the margin of safety. First one, total sales minus break even sales, we get the margin of safety, or sometimes we use this formula, profit divided by PV ratio. Sometimes it is asked in the examination, margin of safety ratio. So what is the formula? Margin of safety ratio is equal to total sales minus break even sales divided by total sales. Okay, now we see the meaning of the margin of safety. It refers to difference between total sales minus break even sales. Okay, it is a difference between the total sales and break even sales. Another thing is that in margin of safety, that higher the margin of safety means higher profit, and vice versa. Now we see the example. The following data is given. Fixed cost 12,000 rupees, selling price 12 rupees per unit, variable cost rupees 9 per unit. Find first what will be the profit when sales are first 60,000 and second 1 lakh rupees, and second one is what will be the amount of sales at desired to earn a profit of rupees 6,000 and 50,000. Okay, now we solve this question. To find profit we need PV ratio, so we put the formula of the PV ratio. What is PV ratio? It is contribution divided by sale into 100. So what is contribution is here? First we find the contribution. What is contribution? It is formula of contribution is selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit. What is selling price is given? Rupees 12 minus what is variable cost? Rupees 9. So contribution per unit is rupees 3. Okay, now we put this contribution amount here, and what is selling price? 12 rupees into 100. Now solve this. So it is 3 divided by 12 into 100 is 25. So 25% is our PV ratio. Okay, based on this PV ratio we can easily find contribution amount. So contribution is equal to sales into PV ratio. So what is sales amount? It is given in the question, rupees 60,000 into PV ratio 25%. So 60,000 25% is 15,000. So our contribution amount is 50,000 rupees. We needed to find here profit. So put the formula of the profit. Profit is equal to contribution minus fixed cost. We already find the contribution. How much it is? Rupees 15,000, and fixed cost is given is rupees 12,000. Okay, so 15,000 minus 12,000 is equal to 3,000. So 3,000 is our profit amount. Here profit can be also found in another way. Let's see it. Sales is given rupees 60,000, and we have selling price per unit is rupees 12. So we can easily find the sales in unit. It is sales divided by selling price per unit. It is 60,000 divided by 12 rupees. So how much it is? 5,000. So 5,000 units are sales. Okay, we have the contribution per unit amount. How much it is? Rupees 3 per unit, and we also have the sales in units. It is how much? 5,000 units. So what is the contribution in rupees? It is 5,000 units into rupees 3 per unit. So how much? 5,000 into 3, rupees 15,000 is our contribution amount. We know that for finding profit we have contribution minus fixed cost. So what is contribution? Rupees 15,000 is there, and what is fixed cost? It is rupees 12,000. So 15,000 minus 12,000 is rupees 3,000. So profit is 3,000. This is another way to find the profit. Okay. Now we see the next one. What it is? What will be the profit when sales are 1 lakh rupees? We already know the PV ratio. What is the PV ratio? We already find it is 25%. So apply this PV ratio, we can get contribution. How much it is? Sales into PV ratio. 1 lakh into 25%. So PV ratio is our, contribution is 25,000. Okay. So what is profit? Profit is contribution minus fixed cost. Contribution we get 25,000 minus fixed cost rupees 12,000. So 25,000 minus 12,000 is rupees 13,000. So 13,000 is our profit amount. We complete the first part. Now let's go for the second part. Now we go for the second part. What will be the amount of sale at desired to earn a profit of A 6,000 rupees and 50,000 rupees. So here we need to find the sale amount when profit is given. So we put the formula sale at desired level of profit. For this we use the formula of fixed cost plus desired profit divided by PV ratio. What is the fixed cost amount? Rupees 12,000. And what is desired profit? It is given rupees 6,000. Okay. And what is PV ratio? We already find in first part. It is 25%. Now solve it. 12,000 plus 6,000 rupees 18,000 divided by 25% is equal to rupees 72,000. It means at 75,000 sales we get the profit of rupees 6,000. Now we go for the second part of it is rupees 15,000 profit. Same process follow here. Sales at desired level of profit. Put the formula fixed cost plus desired profit divided by PV ratio. So what is fixed cost here? Rupees 12,000. And what is desired profit? It is given rupees 15,000. And what is PV ratio? It is at 25%. Now solve this. 12,000 plus 15,000 is equal to rupees 27,000 divided by 25% is equal to rupees 1,08,000. It means at rupees 1,08,000 we get the profit of rupees 15,000. Here we complete the question. Thanks for watching.